My name is Colette Brannon, and I'm part of the Stanford Project Approaching. I definitely consider myself a California girl. California is such a beautiful state. You guys are gonna love it when you come here. I really like San Diego, where I live and where I work. So since I live in San Diego, I try and go snorkeling at least once a week in La Jolla Cove. And it's just absolutely amazing. I can't even describe how wonderful it is. Southern California is great and perfect, but Northern California is like Southern California with huge trees, and I love huge trees. In case you can't tell, I'm a major techie, mostly biology and chemistry. That's what I'm thinking of majoring in. Also, I just got an Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me, you can do so at Colette2018. To make the summer even better, I'm going to be spending a lot of time with my boyfriend, who will also be going to Stanford next year as a freshman. I met him a bit over a month ago at a Stanford bonfire that I organized for the class of 2018. It's probably one of my better decisions. I'm quite happy with how things turned out. So expect to see a lot more of him in videos to come. So I'm really looking forward to sharing with you guys the rest of my summer exploring San Diego and Southern California. It's gonna be awesome. California to the core.